Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create and export your very own animated GIF in Figma using the powerful Motion plugin. Whether you're designing lively icons for your website, spicing up your presentations, or just want to learn some awesome Figma animation tricks, by the end of this tutorial you'll know how to bring static graphics to life and export them as shareable GIFs. Let's jump straight in. First things first, before we can animate anything, you'll need an icon or image ready in your Figma workspace. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. Maybe grab one from your design system, import a PNG, or even draw something really simple. The goal here is just to have an object you want to move or transform in your upcoming animation. If you haven't done this before, you can either create a new frame and drop an icon in, or just use something you already have handy. Give yourself a second to set that up. Alright, once your icon or image is ready, let's move on to getting the right tool for the job. Go ahead and open the Quick Actions menu by pressing Ctrl+K or Command+K if you're on a Mac. In the search bar that pops up, type Motion Animation for Figma. You should see the Motion plugin appear in the results. Click on it to run the plugin. If this is your first time using it, don't worry, it's as simple as clicking once and letting Figma do the rest. This plugin is what will give us the power to add keyframes and bring motion to our static designs. With Motion running, the next step is selecting your icon or image on the canvas. Just click to select it so Motion knows what you want to animate. Now comes the fun part. Let's set up some keyframes. A keyframe is basically a snapshot of where you want your object to be at a certain point in time. Imagine it like plotting points along a journey. You're telling Figma, I want the icon to start here and then move over there. To make your first keyframe, just decide where you want your icon to begin and add a keyframe in the Motion window. Then to animate its position, simply drag your icon to a new spot on the canvas. This could be left, right, up, down, wherever makes sense for your effect. After you've moved it, add another keyframe. You can specify the distance or exact X and Y values right there, so if you want precise movement or just want it to glide to a certain point, you're totally in control. Now that your basic movement is set, let's make things a bit more dynamic by adding rotation. This is really cool for making icons spin or adding a twist to your animation. Select the last keyframe you created and look for the rotation options. Here you can type in how many degrees you want it to rotate, maybe a full spin at 360 degrees or just a little tilt at 45. Play with it until it looks the way you want. Feel free to experiment. If you make a mistake, you can always tweak the values until you're happy with the result. Once your movement and rotation keys are all set, you're almost done. Give your animation a quick preview in the plugin. Hit play and watch your icon move and spin just like you planned. If it doesn't look right the first time, don't worry, that's totally normal. It might take a moment or two of fine-tuning to get things moving smoothly. Finally, when it looks good, go ahead and click the Export button inside the Motion plugin. Choose GIF as the export format, and just like that, your very own animated GIF is ready to use wherever you want. How cool is that? With just a couple of steps, you've breathed life into a static design. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share your own motion designs, drop a comment below. I'd love to see what you create. Don't forget to subscribe for more Figma tips and creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.